Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the DNS probe finished NX domain error in Google Chrome. We will start by clearing the DNS cache inside Chrome. Open Google Chrome and click on the address bar. Type chrome://netinternal/#DNS and press enter. On this page, find the Clear Host Cache button and click it. After doing this, completely close Chrome and then open it again. Try loading the website to see if the problem is fixed. If the error still shows up, the next step is to change your DNS server settings. On Windows, right-click the network icon in the system tray and open Network and Internet Settings. Go to Advanced Network Settings. Click your active network connection and choose Edit. Double-click Internet Protocol version 4. Select the option to use the following DNS server addresses. Enter 8.8.8.8 as the preferred DNS server and 8.8.4.4 as the alternate DNS server. Click OK and close all open windows. After changing the DNS settings, restart your computer. Once the system starts again, open Chrome and try to access the website. If the issue is still not resolved, disable any VPN you are using and test the connection again. You should also temporarily turn off your antivirus or firewall to check if it is blocking the connection. These steps usually fix the error. Thanks for watching.